Good afternoon, sir. So, I'm reporter number 1 for media. So, number 1, information and surveillance. One of the primary function of media is to provide accurate and timely information to the public. It serves as a watchdog, monitoring government activities and keeping citizens informed about political, economic, and social events. So ang una is news reporting. Media organizations gather, verify, and disseminate news, ensuring that the public stays informed about current events. Ang ikadua is government and political oversight. Investigative journalism plays a crucial role in exposing corporation, holding officials accountability, and maintaining transparency. Then ang ikatulo is crisis and disaster alerts. During the emergencies such as natural disasters and health crisis, media platforms provide real-time updates, helping people take necessary precaution. For example, news channels and social media updates provide information about approaching typhoons, allowing communities to prepare for possible evacuation. Number 2, education and awareness. Media is a powerful tool for education, extending learning beyond the classroom. It spreads knowledge on various subjects and raises awareness about critical social issues. Education programs and documentaries. Channels such as National Geographic and Discovery provide in-depth knowledge on science, history, and culture health. Campaigns. Public service announcements inform people about disease, vaccination programs, and mental health awareness. Social awareness initiatives. Media highlights issues such as poverty, gender equality, and conservation, encouraging public discourse and action. Example, online learning platforms and YouTube tutorials provide free education resources benefiting students and lifelong learners. Number 3, so mao to ang number 2. Number 3, entertainment and cultural preservation. Entertainment is one of the most widely consumed form of media, offering relaxation and enjoyment. Additionally, media plays a crucial role in preserving and promoting culture heritage. Movies, music, and television shows. These media forms provide entertainment while also reflecting social values and tradition. Theater and cultural coverage. Media helps preserve tradition, dance, music, and folklore through broadcast and online platforms. So, video games and interactive media. Digital entertainment not only amuses but also incorporates educational and strategic elements. Example, Filipino festivals such as Sinulog and Ati-Atihan are shared to social media, showing their traditions reach a wider audience. So number 4, socialization and influence. Media significantly impact the way people think, behave, and interact with others. It shapes social values, promotes trends, and influences decision making. So, nadiri ang social media influence. Platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and TikTok allows trends and discussion to spread quality shaping public opinion. So, for example, ani ka nang mag-post ka sa imuhang mga gibati. So, dito sa Facebook, sa, mo to. Role models in media, celebrities, influencers, and fictional characters inspire freestyles, live discussion to spread quality shaping public opinion. So, for example, ani ka nang mag-post ka sa imuhang mga gibati. So, dito sa Facebook, sa, mo to. Role models in media, celebrities, influencers, and fictional characters inspire freestyles, lifestyles, choice, and personal inspiration. So, Maurot sir, and thank you.
Good evening, sir. I am the next reporter for the media. The next topic is to answer connectivity and communication. So, connectivity and communication, sir, is with advance in digital technology. Media has become a bridge that connects people across the world, facilitating the instant communication and collaboration. So, social media and messaging apps, magamit ni siya sa such as WhatsApp app or Telegram and Instagram to allow people to connect with their loved ones or ilang mga kaila ingana. Even though masig lagyo sila nga nagpuyo. So, globalization of ideas. So, media enables the exchange of cultures, technologies, and ideologies between nations. So, through online communication and forums, so mga people with shared interests can interact, exchange knowledge, and support each other through digital platforms. So, example, ang mga families ko kay separated by distance and can communicate daily through their video calls and instant messaging to strengthening their communication together. Even though lagyo sila, planitan na sila sa Philippines din ilang igagaw or mga kaila kay nasa laing nasod. So, number 6, advocacy and social change. So, media serves as platform for activism, helping marginalized voices to be heard and pushing for social reforms. So, political campaigns. Politicians use media to reach voters, promote policies, and encourage civic engagement. So, example ani kay kanang mga advertisement din pakita ang ilang mga nabuhat like ana. So, activism and social movement like #MeToo and climate change activism gain global attention through digital platforms, fundraising, and humanitarian efforts. So, media helps raise funds for disaster relief, medical treatments, and charitable causes. Example ko online petitions, crowdfunding campaigns have successfully raised funds for individuals in need of medical treatment. So, example pwede silang through media, pwede silang makakonect sa other or through social media, kaya pwede sila maka-connect sa lain-lain ba, pwede sila mo hatag sila mga advertisement nga or ibalita sa TV kanuhay nga usay pangitabo din na mga buotang tawo or nga na or mga group of people or na mga businessman nga pwedeng mahatag sa ilahag tabang. So next is economic function. Media plays a significant role in economic growth by supporting businesses, advertising their products, and creating job opportunities. Muna ito, pwede through online, pwede maka-apply ang isa ka tawo through online. Like, pwede naman search nila ito or ibutang dito na kasi ito needed og mga job application, yan na ba? So, advertising and marketing. So, companies use television, radio, digital ads to promote products and services, driving consumer behavior. So, in job creation, the media industry provides employment opportunities for journalists, editors, content creators, and advertisers and product staff. So, example ani is kaning mga editors through social media, dali ra sila kay maka-edit o ako kay nagtabang kay dagan day mga viewers ba mas mulambo or mas musikat pa ilang mga ginama nga. So tourism promotion, media highlights travel destinations, boosting local tourism industries. Example, advertisement on television and social media influence consumer decisions, contributing to the success of various businesses. So tourism promotion kay example sa TV, promote sila itong mga highlights sa ilang lugar. Sa example diri sa Bakong ipakita sa TV nga katong lugar diri sa dapit sa Kakisa na ingana nga hindot kaayo ilang lugar, pakita sa TV. So ang mga sa laing lugar mainggan nga maanhi diri. So muna siya tourism promotion example. So media is essential part of society, serving people functions that impact individuals and communities. So it informs, educates, entertains, and connects to people while also driving economic development and promoting on social change. As technology continues to advance, media will play an even greater role in shaping the future of communication, culture, and global interaction. That all, sir, and thank you.
Good day, Sir Consing. I am Hans Gabaliel Ikutalan from Group 5, here to report my part, the global village and imperialism. The global village definition and impact. The term global village describes how technological advancements, especially in media and communication, have reduced distances and brought people closer together. The key characteristics of global village. Instant communication. The rise of internet, social media, and digital platforms has made real-time communication possible across the world, like Meta, Messenger. Cultural exchange. People can now share ideas, music, fashion, and traditions across borders, influencing global culture. Economic interdependence. Nations depend on each other for trade, investments, and labor, creating a global economy. Political cooperation and conflict. Globalization has led to international cooperation, but it has also intensified political tensions and economic competition. The positive effects of the global village. 1. Improved access to information. People can learn about global issues instantly, increasing awareness and knowledge. 2. Economic growth. Global trade has allowed businesses to expand, creating jobs and innovation. 3. Cultural understanding. Interactions between different cultures promote tolerance and diversity. The negative effects of global village. 1. Global homogenization. Some cultures dominate others, leading to the loss of traditional identities. 2. Economic inequality. Wealthier nations benefit more from globalization, widening the gap between developed and developing countries. 3. Cybersecurity threats. Increased connectivity has led to data privacy concerns and cybercrimes. Imperialism, definition, and evolution. The types of imperialism. colonial imperialism, direct control of territories such as the British rule in India and Spanish colonization in the Philippines. Economic imperialism, powerful nations controlling the economies of weaker nations through trade, investments, and financial institutions, like the Apple Company. The company originated from USA, but most of its factories are from China. Cultural imperialism, the imposition of one culture over another, often through media, language, and education. 4. Military imperialism, the use of military use to dominate other nations as seen in wars and military intervention. Effects of imperialism, loss of sovereignty, many nations were forced under foreign rule, losing their political and cultural interdependence. Exploitation of resources, colonizers extracted wealth from their colonies, leaving many nations impoverished. Like somewhere in the continent of Africa, many nations have been overexploited due to colonizers abusing the natural resources from that country. Cultural erosion. Indigenous traditions, languages, and customs were replaced by those of imperial powers. Resistance and nationalism. Many colonies fought back, leading to an independence movements and revolution, like the Philippine Revolution. Economic imperialism in the global village. Multinational corporations, large companies from powerful nations dominate global markets, often exploiting labor and resources in developing countries. Debt dependency. Developing nations rely on the loans from global financial institutions like the International Monetary Fund or IMF and World Bank, leading to economic control by richer nations. Trade inequality. Developed nations impose unfair trade agreements limiting the economic growth of poorer countries. Cultural imperialism in the global village. Western media influence. Hollywood movies, Western music, and global brands shape cultural preferences worldwide, sometimes at the expense of local traditions. Language dominance. English has become the global language, affecting linguistic diversity and marginalizing native languages. Consumerism and lifestyle changes. Western-style consumerism influences lifestyles, changing traditional values and customs. Political and military imperialism in the global village. Global superpower influence. Powerful nations continue to exert control over weaker states through political alliances, economic pressures, and military interventions. Like the current war in Ukraine. The nation Ukraine is backed by some countries that are part of the European Union, but it is mostly backed up by the United States. Geopolitical conflicts. The competition for global influence has led to wars, regime changes, and international tensions. The global village has brought people closer through technological advancements, fostering cultural exchange, economic growth, and communication. However, it has also reinforced modern imperialism, where powerful nations continue to dominate weaker ones through economic, cultural, and political means. While globalization has benefits, it is important to address its inequalities and ensure that all nations and cultures have equal opportunities in this interconnected world.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, everyone. So I am the list reporter about social media. Social media has revolutionized communication, transforming the way people interact, share information, and consume content. Platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok have reshaped personal relationships, business marketing, education, and even political landscapes. This report explores the role, benefits, challenges, and overall impact of social media on society. The role of social media. Social media serves multiple functions including communication, entertainment, and information dissemination. It allows users to connect instantly, share ideas, and engage in global conversations. Personal connectivity enables people to maintain relationships, can reconnect with old friends, and build new connections. Information and news provides real-time updates on global events, politics, and social issues often faster than traditional news outlets. Entertainment and trends. Platforms showcase viral content, memes, music, and short-form videos that shape pop culture. Business and marketing. Companies use social media for brand awareness, customer engagement, and digital marketing campaigns. Educational and learning. Students and professionals access free resources, online courses, and expert discussions on various subjects. The benefits of social media. Social media offers several advantages that enhance communication, knowledge sharing, and economic growth. Instant communication connects people across the globe through messaging, video calls, and live streaming. Wider audience reach. Business, influencers, and activists can reach millions with single post. Enhanced learning opportunities. Platforms provide tutorials, academic discussions, and career guidance. Enhance job and business growth. Freelancers, small businesses, and entrepreneurs use social media for networking and promotion. Social awareness and activism. Movements like Me Too and climate change awareness have gained momentum through social media campaigns. Challenges and risks of social media. Despite its advantage, social media also presents several challenges that impact individuals and society. Misinformation and fake news. False information spreads rapidly, leading to confusion and public distrust. So nowadays there are so many fake news sa social media. Cyberbullying and harassment. Online platforms can be used for bullying, trolling, and spreading hate speech. So, mabantayan ko na nato sa social media, sa Facebook, nga dagan yung kaayong cyberbullying. So, privacy and data security issues. Personal data is often at risk due to hacking, phishing, scams, and data breaches. Mental health concerns. Excessive social media use can contribute to anxiety, depression, and self-esteem issues. Addiction and productivity loss. Many users spend excessive time scrolling through content, leading to distraction from work and studies. The impact of social media on society. Social media influencers various aspects of society, from communication to politics and business. On communication, it has made conversation more instant and accessible, but has also reduced face-to-face interactions. On business and economy, digital marketing and e-commerce thrive through social media promotions. On politics and governance, politicians use social media for campaigns, while citizens use it for political discourse and activism. On culture and trends, music, fashion, and lifestyle trends are heavily influenced by viral content and online influencers. Social media is a powerful tool that has reshaped how people communicate, learn, and conduct business. While it offers numerous benefits, it also presents challenges that require responsible usage and digital literacy. As technology evolves, the impact of social media will continue to shape the future communication, education, and global connectivity. That's all, sir. Thank you.